In this video, I'm going to reveal a multi-billion-dollar opportunity that is ripe for the picking. Now, chances are you've actually been a part of this niche and you didn't even realize it. Well, today I'm going to expose this opportunity. And the best part about this niche is you can do this faceless and use the help of AI to start making some money with your YouTube channel. Now, this video is going to be comprised of 4 parts. Part number 1 is an overview of the niche. Part number 2 are examples of teeny tiny YouTube channels that are making big money with this opportunity. Part number 3 is a step-by-step guide on how you can get started. And step number 4 are the different ways that you can make money with this niche. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll reveal how you can get all of the keywords for this niche. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I create YouTube videos to help you start a YouTube channel that includes multiple revenue streams. Now, I've been creating content on the internet for 10 years, and so I know exactly what it takes to start making money online. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, let's go ahead and start with part number 1, which is an overview of this new opportunity. Now, quick question. What is the number one thing that we all must do to live and survive? If you said eat, you'd actually be wrong. As adults, the number one thing we must do is find a job that provides us safety, security, puts food on our table, and lets us have a little bit of fun at the end of the day. Now, believe it or not, the career advice niche is a $17 billion industry that is only expected to continue to grow. Now, you should be asking yourself, how does this actually help me make money? And I'm glad you asked, but I'll answer that question with another question. If you said resume writing, then you'd be wrong again. Now, the hardest part of this niche is sitting in front of 3 people you've never met, sitting in uncomfortable clothes, and answering questions that feel random, all in hopes that you get an offer letter. And this is actually where we come in. We can actually create small YouTube videos that help our target audience feel more comfortable and confident so that they can get the job. We are going to create simple YouTube videos where we are asking and answering interview questions to help our target audience find that job that they want. Now, you might be saying, Alston, you are a smart, beautiful man, but isn't this niche too competitive? Well, to answer that question, let's go ahead and jump into part number 2, where I show you teeny tiny YouTube channels that are doing this exact thing and getting tons of views. Now, if we take a look at my computer, I want to show you 2 examples of teeny tiny channels that are getting a bunch of views. So the search question is food and beverage interview questions and answers. But as you can see here, this one where it says welcome to English, waiter interview questions nobody tells you about, this channel only has 4,000 subscribers, but this video has 70,000 views from 11 months ago. If we look right below it, this hospitality knowledge, 2,000 subscribers, 45,000 views. And you might be thinking, well, that's just a one-off. If we take a look at this YouTube video, this person isn't even showing their face. They have 1,000 views from 3 months ago and 4,000 subscribers. Here's another example. AWS Cloud Support Engineer, 117 subscribers, 14,000 views. We can look at one more opportunity, AWS interview and how to pass it, 12,000 views, only 111 subscribers. So you can see that teeny tiny channels are doing this and getting views just as well as the big channels. Now, there are big channels out there that have millions of subscribers, but they all started off with 0, and they all started off simply creating videos where they're answering different interview questions. So this should leave no doubt in your mind that this is something that you can do too, regardless of the size of your channel. Let's go ahead and jump into part number 3 and how you can get started step by step. Now, obviously the first step is to create a YouTube channel. There are tons of videos out there that will walk you through this process step by step, so I'm not going to waste your time. But if you want this to work, you have to create a YouTube channel. Now, step number 2 is finding keywords related to the question and answers. And there's actually 3 different ways that you can do this. The first way is with what's called the alphabet soup method. And I'm going to jump into my computer and show you exactly what that is step by step. So we're going to come up here to the search bar, and I'm just going to delete food and beverage here. I am going to do _space. And as you can see, there are a bunch of questions that people are asking. Job interview, SQL, call center, nursing, and so on. But what we want to do is we want to go through each letter of the alphabet. So we're going to put a letter of the alphabet in front of the underscore, and then we're going to take a look at all of the questions. Now look at this: project manager, Power BI, pharmacist, PHP, payroll, and so on. We can go through each letter of the alphabet. Again, this is called the alphabet soup method, where we can find the direct questions that people are asking. Again, and we can do this all day and night. So the great thing about this is that there's almost an infinite number of keywords that people are typing in. Now, what's really cool about this is you could actually do this based on job as well. So we could say something like Morgan Stanley, but this right here, JP Morgan interview questions, or JP Morgan interview questions for finance. There are so many different variations and options when it comes to this that you should never run out of content ideas. What I would recommend that you do is when you're searching for keywords using this method, go through and look and see if there are little channels or little YouTube channels that don't have a lot of subscribers but have a lot of views, and those would be the videos that I'd want to make first. So let's look at mortgage underwriter interview questions, for example. We would scroll down, 68, look at this one, 861 subscribers, 99,000 views. This person isn't showing their face, and they're probably just doing a voiceover. So I would highlight this as potentially an opportunity to create this type of video. An interview with mortgage underwriter. You can see here that there's a lot of opportunity potentially with this niche here. What you would want to do is maybe use a Google Doc or notes and just write down all of the different keywords that you could potentially focus on. The second option is you could use a paid keyword research tool. There are tons of tools out there. I usually will use Ahrefs. For example, if we take a look, you can see that there are over 209,000 keywords that focus on interview questions. And so some of these are getting tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of searches per month. What we want to do is we want to create search-based content so that our content is what's called evergreen. It stays on the market forever. People are always searching for this opportunity, and it allows us to get more views 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And the third way is actually clicking the first link in the description. When you click that first link in the description and you join my workshop, I'll actually include all of the different keywords that are related to this niche, as well as the Black Friday niche that I mentioned and discussed yesterday. Now, once you have your list of keywords, the next thing you need to do is you need to go out and search for these answers. And again, there's a few different ways that you can do it. One way to do it is to go hunt and search on different websites. If we wanted to create a video for call center interview questions and answers, we would simply go up to Google and type that in. As you can see here, right at the top here, Google has done us a really good job of giving us an answer. The other thing we can do is we can go through and compile a list of the most commonly asked questions from all of these different websites. As you can see here, Zendesk has the top 22 customer service interview questions and answers. It does a lot of the hard work for us. Another option is simply looking at different podcasts. There's a ton of podcasts that are talking about interviews and interview questions and answers. We could simply listen to those different episodes and grab the questions and answers from there. The third way we could do it is simply asking AI. We can go over to ChatGPT like this. If you take a look at my computer. So I just typed into ChatGPT, I'm going on an interview as a call center rep. Please list the most commonly asked questions the interviewer will ask the interviewee. And as you can see here, there are 10, 15 different questions, and we simply could compile this list and make a video about it. Now you might be asking, what types of videos can you make? And the great thing is you can actually make faceless videos. I saw a number of videos out there where people were using slideshows, whether it was done on Canva or using Google or even PowerPoint. If you don't want to show your face and you don't mind doing the voiceover, you simply could just do this over on Canva. If you have screen recording software, you can use that. But if you want to show your face, I would definitely recommend it. Showing your face on camera builds trust and credibility. It allows you to connect with your audience a little bit faster, a little bit easier. Or if you want, you can simply do a combination of both. You could start off showing your face, and then once you get into the interview questions and answers, you can jump to a slideshow presentation. Any of these ways will work. And then the final step is actually monetizing. Let's go ahead and get into part 4, the different ways that you could potentially monetize these types of videos. Now, I believe that there are 4 different ways that you can monetize this type of content. Let's go ahead and get into them from easiest to most difficult. In my opinion, the easiest way to monetize this type of content would be to become an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. Now, you could be an affiliate for the most popular interview prep books. You could be an affiliate recommending different courses that teach people interview prep or resume writing. I think there are lots of opportunities. What you would do to get started with affiliate marketing is you would simply find the relevant affiliate program. So you're going to type in like career advice, job training affiliate program, resume writing affiliate program, and you're going to apply to become an affiliate. Once you become an affiliate, the company will give you a unique URL called an affiliate link, and you're going to take that link and you're going to put it in the description of all of your YouTube videos. And whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will actually earn a commission. What I really like about affiliate marketing is that you can get started fast. You can use other people's brand recognition and their authority in the space, and you can just focus on creating content, and you don't have to worry about customer service, returns, or shipping. The next way I really like is actually creating and selling digital products for this niche. Now, a digital product is something that you create online. It can be a planner, workbook, cheat sheet, podcast, anything that's created digitally, and then you sell that with a sales page to your customers or target audience. The cool thing with digital products is you can get these started relatively quickly. Usually you can create your first digital product in 3 days. The other benefit is you can create something that solves a very specific problem. And the other benefit of digital products is that you can actually sell these 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you get the money in your hand almost instantly. Now, I do have several digital product ideas that you could actually implement in this niche and start making money. The first idea is an interview prep workbook. The second thing you could create is a mock interview question and answer fill in the blank. Number 3, interview preparation checklist. And number 4, a salary negotiation guide. After affiliate marketing and digital products, I think the next best opportunity is actually creating a membership. Now, with memberships, you actually will create reoccurring monthly revenue as long as your customers remain customers. I really like this because you're not having to go out and find new customers every single month. You're not starting off at zero, and it's a great way to continuously help people with different problems that they have. Now, here are a few ideas for creating a monthly membership. Number 1, weekly or monthly mock negotiation sessions. Number 2, job resources library. Number 3, you could simply provide networking opportunities between different HR people and different clients. And number 4, you can actually create a private podcast where you're offering an additional level of help to your members. And the final way that you can monetize this type of content is actually joining the YouTube Partner Program. The reason why I have this last is because it can take the longest to set up and get going. With the YouTube Partner Program, you get paid with the ads that show up in the beginning, middle, and end of your videos. Now, the only drawback to the YouTube Partner Program is you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to receive the invite. And just because you're invited, there's no guarantee that you'll actually be accepted. All of the ways that I mentioned before, affiliate marketing, digital products, and memberships, those are much better ways because you can actually start monetizing with 0 subscribers. You can go ahead and apply to different affiliate programs right away. You can create your own digital product or service, or you can even create a membership and start monetizing from your first video. Now that you know about this new multi-billion-dollar niche that you could get into and start today, watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you grow your online business.